doing? I hope you're all well. Thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Hayley if you're new here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the box from Lookfantastic, July edition. So let's get it open, shall we? I can't wait for this one. I'm going to tell you a little secret. I did take a look at this one and I'm really excited about it. So let's get to it. I'll open it up. This time it comes in a little bag. That's nice. I like that because this can get damaged. It did. Mine got damaged this time. I've got it's ripped here. So it is the first time that it's been damaged though, but I'm just really pleased to see it in a bag. I think that's much better. So let's take it out and take a look at it. And there's none of those leaflets in there. I didn't really care for those. I don't really want them. Oh, they might be inside. I can feel something. So that's what the bag is looking like. I like that. I like that it's in a bag. So let's take a look in there. So it's just a drawstring bag that opens up like that. And then I can see there is a couple of the HelloFresh and Tails.com, but I shan't be using those. Let's see what's inside. First one's a good one. I remember seeing this. This one is called Advanced Skincare Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream, and this is a full size and it's worth £97. Oh my lord, that is really good, isn't it? So it says hyaluronic, maris aqua jojoba oil, avocado, allantoin. Wow, a day cream. So this says enjoy lightweight, quick absorbing moisture that delivers long lasting hydration whilst helping to combat uneven skin tone and encouraging a youthful glow. Wow, I'm excited for that. I cannot believe this little thing is worth £97. Can you? Wow. Let's open it. I think there'll probably be a seal. Yeah, there is. But I'm going to open it because I want to show you so that you can see what it's like. I'll just do it on my hand here. Done a little bit there. Oh, it looks like it's got a very slight blue tinge. Very, very slight. I'll show you there. I don't know if you can see anything. Oh, you can. Look, it looks a bit blue. Can you see? Slightly blue. And there it is on my hand. Oh, it feels very lightweight. I'm really happy about that. I was worried that if it's too thick on my skin, I wouldn't be able to wear it. Oh, and it does feel cooling. I remember seeing someone else say this was cooling. Oh, it is. That is lovely. Very cooling and thin. Really good for my oilier skin. I've got like combination oily, so I just get oily around here and around my nose and chin, but my cheeks don't get oily. But that is wonderful. I can't wait to use that. That was a good one. So already you've got well over the price of the box. I pay £13 because I did a 12-month subscription, but you can do a 1 month and a 3 month. I think you can do a 3 month. I know you can do a 1 month. I'm not sure if you can do a 6 month, but it goes down gradually. It starts at £15 for 1 month, and because I've done 12, I've got it for £13 a month, and I've already got that. Wow, that is really good. What's next? This is what I was excited about, and I'll tell you a little story. I wanted a gua sha, and I said to my children, it was only a couple of weeks ago, before the box had come out, I was like, oh, I really want a gua sha, but I don't want to buy one, and I just know that I'll buy one, and then it'll just be in one of those boxes that I get. And then lo and behold, one turned up. So I'm really glad that I didn't buy one. Did I manifest it? I might have manifested a gua sha. I'm so pleased to have one though. So this is by Brushworks, and it's a jade gua sha. And it says, enhance your skincare routine with this beautifully crafted jade stone gua sha. Designed with smooth curved edges, it fits comfortably in your hand and glides effortlessly across the skin. Its unique shape allows for a soothing massage experience making each use a moment of relaxation, a perfect addition to your beauty ritual. And there it is on the back, it shows you how to use it. Let's open it and have a look. I've got something I really wanted. So it's in some paper. And there it is. I'm so pleased to have that. And it does feel really cold. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait to have a go with that. I'll be going like that. Oh, love it. Can't wait. And I think it's got a different... Does that mean you go along like that? I'll have to have a look how to use it. But I'm really excited. And it feels nice and cold. I really like that. So, yeah, got that. And how much is that worth? This is worth £8. And online it says, take some time to learn the ritual of gua sha to soothe and cool the eye area whilst helping to reduce puffiness, eye bags and assist absorption of eye cream or serum into the skin. So it's going on about your eyes a lot. Is it just for your eyes? Apply a face oil or serum. Use the gua sha in the direction shown on the face. Experience a radiant glow. Yeah, so this is encouraging you to use it all over the face, but online it's going on about using it around the eye area. So we'll see what I use it for. I'll probably just go on YouTube and have a look at things and see how to use it properly. Can't wait to use that. Right, next thing. So that was worth £8. So next, what have we got? Looks like Molten Brown, Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel Deluxe size, and that is worth £6. And it says cleanse and refresh your skin while the signature Molten Brown scent fills your bathroom with a summery spa smell. So I don't know, is that like their signature scent then? Orange and Bergamot, let's have a smell. I like the Blissful Temple Tree. That is my absolute favourite from Molten Brown. That does smell really nice. I had a, what was it, a rhubarb and something, one of these in another box, and I don't like that one as much as this. I'm not that keen on I know it was rhubarb and something from Molten Brown. I'm not that keen on it, but I like this one a lot better. But if it was Blissful Temple Tree, I would have been skipping with joy, because that is the best one that I've ever smelt from them. Right, and what was that one worth? This is worth £6, and I'll enjoy using that one. Right, next, there's 3 more things in here. So we got Philip Kingsley. Oh, I could do with that as well. Frizz Fighting Gloss. I know I said I did watch it before, but it was quite a few days ago, and I forgot what was in here. But I'm looking forward to using this as well. So I've got a smoothing serum. Philip Kingsley Finishing Touch Frizz Fighting Gloss, very handy. This is a deluxe size and it's 20ml and it's worth £11. And it says helping to achieve a glass-like shine, this gloss claims to instantly smooth the appearance of flyaways. I say flyaways, but it says flyways. Flyaways, isn't it? To support a silky, soft, sleek finish. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it's like. This one hasn't got a seal. I'll do it on my, I was going to do it on my, I'll just do it here so you can see it. So there's what it looks like when it comes out. And it does feel like a thicker sort of serum. Not like, you know, you can get these really thin ones. This one's sort of in the middle. It's not mega thick. What's it smell like? Yeah, it's got a nice smell. And I like to do this and then just get rid of my flyaways. That does smell nice. Let's have a smell out of the bottle because you can't smell much. It does have a nice smell, but it's not a strong smell. So if you don't like things that smell too strong and they make you itch, I would imagine this would be quite good for you. Because some oils, they've got quite a smell and they can make you, like sometimes I've ended up with rashes sort of around the edges here, and I think that's from hair products. But this one doesn't have too much of a smell. But I do like a smell, but I don't like it when they make you itch. What have we got next? Another little tube. This works, and it is perfect perfect cleavage. I was going to say perfect legs. Perfect cleavage and neck serum. So it says designed to protect and refine the appearance of the delicate skin on your neck, chest and décolletage. Is it décolletage? I think that's how you say it. The natural efficacy of essential oils and plant extracts hydrate, visibly smooth and brighten. So it says a perfect blend of marine algae, hyaluronic acid and nourishing botanical oils. And this is a lotion. This is 20ml and it is worth £10. A good box this time, isn't it? Let's have a look what this looks like. And that has got a seal. I'll probably use this immediately. I might use the Avant straight away as well because it's hot, isn't it? So there's that. I'll do it here. Maybe I should do a bit more. You can hardly see it, can you? There. There's what that looks like. And that is nice and thin and goes a long way. And it's got a lovely smell. I always like the smell of This Works. It smells really clean. It's a nice smell. So yeah, I will look forward to that. I don't have a neck and chest serum. I just use my face creams and stuff, like the thicker ones that are too thick for my face. I usually put down here, and I'm going to use this instead now because it is specifically for that area. So that'll come in handy, and I imagine that will last a little while because it's quite a thin consistency, so I'll get quite a few uses out of that. So it's a good size. And what did I say that was worth? £10 that was. I don't know if I said it already. And then I think there's one more thing. Yeah, one more thing in here, and it is CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I don't know if I've had this before. I know I had a CeraVe thing and it was a cleanser. I think it had blue on it though, not green. So I haven't tried the green. And what does this say? It says CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser with hyaluronic acid for normal to dry skin, but I'll still use it. And because it's only a face wash, isn't it? It doesn't really bother me. And it's a deluxe size, a little gift from us. So this isn't included in the, you know, the overall value of the box. Trying to think of the word then. So this hasn't got a value. So that's the nice free gift, isn't it? I like that. And it says a little, oh, it just says a little extra treat in your July box. The gentle formula helps to effectively remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin of moisture. So that's nice. Let's have a smell. I don't think these smell of much, do they? I can't smell anything. I'm trying to put it in the other hand because this has got, that's got the This Works on it. I can't smell anything. So that would be good for sensitive skins, wouldn't it? So that's that one. I'm really pleased with this month's box because I've been thinking, oh, do I really need that box? Do they give me things that I really need? But all of these things have come in. I will definitely use every single one of these things. So that is a really good box and worth an absolute bomb because that is what? £97. That's nearly £100. That is crazy, isn't it? But it is very nice. I can't wait to use it. So I hope you enjoyed looking at the box with me this month. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could give me a like and subscribe because it really helps me out. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.